Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I welcome all of you to your own channel. By the way, for this week we have a very simple question. It's not as much difficult, but we will have the solution. In here we have f or r. What does it mean? It means the domain is real number and codomain is also real number, and fx with the gx, they are continuous and differentiable function, and so on. If you want to put 2, you will have the answer 6, and if you want to put 2 in f prime, so the answer is 1 upon 48, and this integration is x minus 2 to the gx. Now we have this one. What's this answer? Limit x to gx. Okay, it's easy. First of all, in here we have to find gx. Now gx is this x minus 2 with this one. We have n multiplication, so we have to put this one in the denominator. It would be integration 6 to fx for t to the power 3 dt divided by x minus 2. Now we have limit, so I have to take limit. Which limit? X, indeed it is going to 2. Now if we have limit x goes to 2 of gx is equal limit x to 2 x minus 2 integration 6 fx for t square, no, for t to the power 3 dt. Now if I want to put instead of x2, we have in here 2 minus 2, 0. The numerator must be 0. Why? Because if this one is a number, the number divided by 0 is infinity, and we don't have any infinity in the answers. It means the numerator must be 0. For this result, that this one is 0 or not, now we have to solve this integration. How I can solve? Limit x to 2 gx is equal. How can I solve this integration? Integration 4 t to the power 3 dt. I think it is 4 t to the power 4 of 4, and we can cancel this 4. It means the integration is t to the power 4, but the interval is 6 to fx of x minus 2. Now instead of t we have to put fx. It means this one is limit x to 2 of gx is equal limit x minus 2. Now instead of t we have to put fx. The power is 4 minus, and instead of t we have to put 6 to the power 4. Am I right or not? The limits, upper limit is fx t to the power 4. Instead of t we have to put fx to the power 4 minus 6 to the power 4. Now whenever I'm putting instead of x 2, it becomes f2 to the power 4 minus 6 to the power 4 and 2 minus 2. What is f2? f2 is 6, so it is 6 to the power 4 minus 6 to the power 4, and the denominator is 2 minus 2, and in numerator we have 0, and denominator also 0. It means this one is 0 upon 0. We have this shape. Now by L'Hopital law we have to take the derivative of the numerator and denominator. What does it mean? It means limit x includes to 2 gx is equal limit x includes to 2. Now what is the derivative of f to the power x? It is 4 f to the power 3fx f prime x. We have u to the power u. What's the formula? N u to the power n minus 1 times u dash or u prime. For example, if I have x square minus 1 to the power 4. Now, what's the derivative? 4x square minus 1 to the power 3 times x square minus 1 prime. Do we have this one or not? Yes, we have. From this one, we have minus, this is minus. What's the derivative of the constant? It's 0. What's the derivative of the x? It's 1. Minus. What's the derivative of the 2? It is 0. Now, I have to put 2. So, limit of gx, x includes to 2, is equal 4. Now, instead of x, we have to put 2. F to the power 3 of 2 times f prime. Instead of x, we have to put 2. And this 0, it doesn't mean. And we have in denominator 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. It's divided by 1. Now, we have to put the values. 4. What's f2? f2 is 6. What's the power? 3 times. What's f prime of 2? It is 1 upon 48. 1 upon 48. And we have to cancel this one with the 4. And we have limit x includes to 2 of gx is equal to, what does it mean? 6 to the power 3? It means 6, 6, 6. And we have 1 upon 12. We can cancel 1, this is 2, and 2, this is 3. Now the solution is limit of gx, x includes to 2, is equal to 3 times 6. What 3 times 6 is? 3 times 6 is 18. And I think the first answer is the correct one. By the way, it was our this week question. Wait for the next one, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.